Let's take a moment and we'll take a quick tour of Pioneer's smartsync 3.0 update for 2020. You'll find smartsync has a completely redesigned user interface. For example, we're on the AM/FM radio right now. If we want to switch to another source, simply swipe to the left and we can choose any other source. Or choose to switch between sources. Want to go back to the radio? Touch the radio. In the radio source, we're listening to radio station preset number 1. If I want to change the radio station frequency, I can touch the arrow here, and that changes the frequency, you can see. Or if I want to seek to the next radio station, I can touch the seek button here. And if I want to see my radio station presets, just swipe this way. Here is my full list of radio station presets, and I can press and hold to create that radio station that we just tuned in as a preset. Let's swipe back. And here's a great addition. Here's a volume control on every source screen. I can change the volume up or back down. To get back to my source screen, just touch anywhere away from the volume screen. Let's change to another source. I'll choose Pandora. If I want to get back to the SmartSync app, I can touch my home button here. That takes me back to the SmartSync app. And here, without Pandora on the screen, if I want to advance to the next song, just touch the skip forward button to advance to the next track. Of course, once you've set up navigation, touch the screen to begin your favorite navigation app. And touch the home button to get back to the SmartSync app. Let's take a look at some of the customization. We'll touch the gears, and we'll scroll down here to, how about the screen? Under the screen, we can change the theme that we're looking at. This will scroll through the available themes. When you find a theme that you like, just touch a color, and you can change the color of that theme. Let's go with that purple one. Let's go back, and we'll adjust the illumination color. Illumination color is the color of the illumination on the in-dash receiver. We could go with a green. When you're done, you can hit the X to escape. And of course, we have the Alexa button right here. Alexa, how high is the moon?
The moon's distance is 238,857 miles.
Let's change back to the AM/FM radio source.